Hello everyone, and welcome back to Miss English Channel. I'm Emily, and I'm so happy to see you here today.
And I'm Paul. Thank you for joining us, friends. Today, we'll talk about something you use every single day, transport.
That's right. Buses, trains, cars, bicycles, even walking. Transport is part of your daily life. But do you know how to talk about it in English?
Imagine this. You're traveling abroad. Someone asks, how do you usually get to work? Would you know what to say?
That's the hook today. Daily transport. And by the end, you'll feel confident answering that question in English.
Before we dive in, if you enjoy learning English through stories and conversations, don't forget to subscribe. Your support keeps us going.
Perfect. Now, let's get into our story. Imagine Jesse, our friend. He lives in the city. Every morning, he has to go to work.
His alarm rings at 7 a.m., he gets up, drinks coffee, and then he faces the big question. How will he get to work today?
The city's noisy. Cars are honking, people are rushing, the bus is crowded, the train is busy, the bicycle is waiting.
Each option has a feeling. The bus is slow but cheap, the train is fast but crowded, the bicycle is healthy but tiring.
Let's imagine Jesse chooses the bus today. He walks to the bus stop, he waits, the bus arrives, he steps inside.
Here's your first practice. Repeat after me. I take the bus to work.
Again, louder this time. I take the bus to work.
Great job. Simple, clear, and useful.
Now, Paul, let's make it real. How do you usually get to work?
I usually take the train. It's faster for me. What about you, Emily?
I usually walk. My office is close to my home. It's good exercise.
See? Already you have two examples. I take the train. I walk.
And you, dear listener, what about you? Think in English. Say it out loud. I take the to work.
Maybe you take a car. Maybe you ride a bike. Say it. Feel it. Make English real.
Vocabulary time. Listen carefully. Bus, train, car, bicycle, motorcycle, subway, taxi, on foot.
Let's repeat together. Bus, train, car, bicycle, motorcycle, subway, taxi, on foot.
Wonderful. Each word is a door. When you open it, you can tell your story.
Let's go back to Jesse. He sits on the bus. The driver is grumpy today. The bus is noisy. But Jesse looks outside the window.
He sees the city waking up. People crossing the street, children going to school, old men reading newspapers. Life is moving.
Suddenly, the bus stops. It's traffic. Too many cars. The bus isn't moving. Jesse sighs. He's going to be late.
That's real life, isn't it? Transport is not just about moving. It's about feelings, waiting, rushing, hoping, sometimes worrying.
Let's practice another phrase. Repeat. The bus is late.
Again, with a little emotion, the bus is late.
Perfect. Now repeat. There is traffic.
Again, there is traffic.
Excellent. These are small sentences, but they describe real life.
Now, Paul, let's make a little dialogue. You be Jesse, I'll be his friend.
Okay. Hey, Jesse, why are you late?
Oh, the bus was late. There was traffic.
See how natural that sounds? Simple words, big meaning.
Dear listener, let's imagine. Tomorrow, you are traveling. Someone asks, how do you usually go to school or work? What will you answer?
Pause and practice. Say it out loud now. Use your real life.
Excellent. You're practicing with us, and that's the secret to growing faster.
Let's add something fun. Idioms. In English, we say, miss the bus. It means not only missing a bus, but also missing an opportunity.
Imagine Jesse wakes up late. He runs, but the bus leaves. He missed the bus.
Repeat with me. I missed the bus.
One more time. I missed the bus.
Good. Now, remember, in life, if you wait too long, you may miss the bus. Not just transport, but also chances.
That's a beautiful lesson. Transport teaches us about time, patience, and choices.
Another phrase is hit the road. It means to start a journey. For example, it's 8 a.m., let's hit the road.
Repeat, let's hit the road.
Again, let's hit the road.
Wonderful, you sound great.
Now, let's meet our character again. Jesse finally arrives at work. He's late, but he smiles. Why? Because he practiced English on the bus.
He repeated words in his head. Bus, traffic, late. He turned waiting into learning. That's what you can do too.
Let's check. What phrases do you remember so far?
I take the bus. The bus is late. There is traffic. I missed the bus. Let's hit the road.
Perfect. If you remember even one of them today, you're moving forward.
And remember, mistakes are not enemies. They are friends. They show you are learning.
Emily, can we invite the listener to imagine one more scene?
Sure. Picture this. It's raining. You're waiting for the bus. You don't have an umbrella. Someone stands next to you. They ask, "Do you usually take the bus?"
What will you say? Think now. Answer in English.
Yes, I usually take the bus. Or, no, I usually ride my bike, but today it's raining.
Wonderful! You see, with small steps, your world becomes bigger in English.
And that's page 1, friends. We've started the journey, but we still have more to explore. Taxis, trains, subways, and funny transport stories.
Stay with us for page 2. Keep practicing. You are doing amazing.
Remember, even if you learned just one phrase today, you are improving.
And that's something to be proud of.
Welcome back, friends. Page 2 of our journey into daily transport. Are you ready?
Let's hit the road again. We talked about buses, traffic, and missing the bus. Now, let's explore other ways to travel.
Picture Jesse on another day. He wakes up late again. This time, he can't wait for the bus. So what does he do?
He grabs his phone and calls a taxi. Hello? Can I get a taxi to downtown?
Soon, a yellow car arrives. Jesse gets in. The driver says, "Where to?" Jesse answers, "To the office, please."
Friends, repeat after me. I took a taxi.
Again, I took a taxi.
Simple. Useful. Many travelers need this phrase.
Now let's add more. How much is the fare? Repeat with me. How much is the fare?
Great. That's what you ask when you want to know the price.
Paul, let's role play. You be the driver.
Okay. Good morning. Where are you going?
Good morning. To the train station, please.
Sure. That'll be $5.
That's it. Simple sentences that could save you in real life.
What about you, dear listener? Have you ever taken a taxi in another country? Try to imagine the conversation now.
Speak aloud. Even if you're alone, pretend you're in that car. Say the words.
Wonderful. Now, let's move to the subway. Big cities often use it. London, New York, Tokyo, Seoul. Have you tried it?
Imagine Jesse again. It's raining and traffic is terrible, so he goes underground. The subway is fast. The sound is loud. Doors open. People rush in.
He holds the rail. He listens to the announcements. Next stop, Central Station.
Repeat after me. I take the subway to work.
Again, I take the subway to work.
Beautiful. Now another phrase. The train is crowded.
Say it with me. The train is crowded.
Perfect. That's daily life in many big cities.
Emily, have you ever been late because of a train?
Oh, yes. Once I waited 30 minutes. Finally, the train came. It was so full, I couldn't get in.
That's a nightmare. But it's also a good story. See, even problems become English lessons.
Let's teach another phrase. I couldn't get on the train. Repeat after me. I couldn't get on the train.
Very good. Keep practicing. These small sentences make you powerful in real life.
Now let's switch. Some people prefer bicycles. Imagine the fresh morning air. Jesse takes his bike. He feels free. He saves money. He gets exercise.
Repeat. I ride my bike to work.
Repeat again. I ride my bike to work.
Wonderful. That's healthy and green. And if you're walking, you say, I go on foot.
Say it now. I go on foot.
Easy, right? Sometimes the simplest transport is the best.
Let's test your memory. Listen and repeat. I take the bus. I take a taxi. I ride my bike. I go on foot.
Excellent. You're building your personal English story.
Now, let's make this more fun. Jesse has a dream. One day, he wants to travel abroad, maybe London, maybe New York. He imagines himself buying a train ticket.
He goes to the counter. The clerk says, "Where to?" Jesse answers, "To Oxford, please." The clerk says, "That will be £20.
Practice time. Repeat, can I have a train ticket, please?
Again, "Can I have a train ticket, please?"
Great. Another useful phrase. What time does the train leave?
Say it with me. What time does the train leave?
Perfect. Now you can survive in a train station anywhere in the world.
Dear listener, imagine you are at a station. A big digital board shows times. You need help. What do you ask?
Yes, you ask, what time does the train leave? That's your tool.
Let's add one more idiom. In English, we say train of thought. It means your line of thinking.
For example, sorry, I lost my train of thought. It's like missing the train in your mind.
Repeat. I lost my train of thought.
Wonderful. Now you can impress your friends.
Another fun phrase is in the same boat. It means having the same problem as others.
Imagine Jesse and his colleagues. The bus is late. They all wait together. They are in the same boat.
Repeat after me. We are in the same boat.
Lovely. It's not about boats only. It's about shared situations.
Transport words connect to life. Missing the bus, losing your train of thought, being in the same boat. Beautiful, right?
Yes, and they remind us that English is not just grammar. It's experience. It's life in words.
Now, let's give the listener a challenge.
Okay, dear friend, tell us in the comments, how do you usually get to work or school? Use English. Use today's phrases.
For example, I take the subway to school, or I ride my bike to work. Share your answer. We will read them.
And here's another practice. Repeat 3 sentences together. Ready?
I missed the bus.
There is traffic.
The train is crowded.
Perfect. These 3 sentences are survival phrases.
Now, let's add one motivational note. Jesse sometimes feels tired. Sometimes he hates traffic. But he reminds himself each journey is also practice.
He listens. He repeats. He learns. His transport becomes his classroom.
And you, listener, you can do the same. Turn waiting into learning. Turn frustration into opportunity.
Even if you only remember one phrase today, you are improving. That's a victory.
Yes, small steps every day build a powerful journey.
So let's end with hope. Transport takes us from one place to another. English takes us from silence to expression.
And we are on that journey together.
Thank you for joining us on Miss English Channel. You are amazing.
Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment with your own sentences. We love learning with you.
And remember, mistakes are not the end. They are part of the ride.
Keep moving, keep practicing, and keep smiling.
Until next time, let's keep walking this English road together.
Bye for now, friends. See you soon.